Alright, so we got our temporary defeat device for the hood latch switch, but I got a replacement one, so we'll see how that thing fits up. But that's two 10mm bolts, and then we'll see about getting the cable off right there. There. I'm gonna need both hands for a minute. Alright, so this thing's pulled away, and you can see on the back there's two little tabs, and they just need to be squeezed together, and then this will be free to come out, and we can swap with this other one. Alright, so you can see those tabs more clearly. I use these snap ring pliers to squeeze them together to remove them. So it's pretty straightforward. And that's our old one. And this is our new one. Everything looks the same. So I'll just fit that in, weave that in through here, and push that in and see if I can do it one-handed. Doesn't look like it. Alright, so that went pretty easy. I wove this little head in first and then snapped that piece in place there. And now I'm just going to use the marks from how it's set before to line up the holes, and then I'll tighten it and we'll try and see if it works. Alright, so this definitely doesn't appear to quite fit. So that's a little bit of a bummer there, but I guess that's what happens when you don't get OEM. I'm going to modify this, so we'll see how that goes. But I'm going to test it before I actually close the hood, just in case there's a problem. Okay, so I took a pair of pliers and I just jammed this drill bit in here, because I just want to see if the thing's going to pop. It sounds pretty positive. I don't know if I'll find that drill bit. And it did pop. It closes. It doesn't appear to hit anything in there. So I guess we can let it ride. Now, let's hook this up and see if it works. Alright, we got that plugged in. Built for a tough door jar. I see that the hood's ajar. The hood is no longer ajarred. Woohoo!